Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the automatic rerouting function in the Here We Go application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then just drag this section at the bottom of the page up to see more functions. And at the account and settings section, click on the settings button. And at the navigation section, click on the route preferences button. And if you scroll down at the real-time rerouting section, look for the automatically reroute button, which will accept faster routes after 10 seconds. So if you want to enable this function, just click on the white circle next to it. And once it turns blue, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.